Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be a 2021 Victorinox Rancher X exclusive. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. In 2014, Mr. Jan Schieswald, and I apologize, sir, if I'm saying your name incorrectly, founded the Victorinox Friends Club, which serves the local interest of collectors in the regions of Switzerland, Germany, and Austria. The club has released 4 previous knives, and to celebrate their 7th year, an exclusive Rancher X, limited to 400 pieces, was produced. Now, I had an opportunity to purchase this knife by being a member of the Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society here in the United States, and I will try to link in the description below how you too can become a member of the club. So as we check out our knife here, we get a very nice display box, which has become kind of the norm for these special edition knives. And then we get our look at those wonderful dark green scales. We get our standard care, use, and maintenance pamphlet. So the Rancher X is a 93mm knife, 3 layers wide, right at 9/16 scale to scale, and we do get the key ring. Now what makes this the Rancher is that it replaces the standard can opener and precision screwdriver with a small hawkbill or pruning blade, which is not very common. We get the standard cap lifter wire bender, 90-degree stop. That is also a hollow ground screwdriver. We get what makes it an X, which is the addition of the 91mm scissors. This knife was produced in 2021, so obviously we have the newer tool set with the cadmium rivet, or what I call a cadmium rivet, the spring guiding groove, the thinner handles. Get the standard main blade, but as we can see, this one is etched with 7, 2014 through 2021. The 7 represents the 7th year. You have the Friends of Victorinox logo there. And then I'm not sure how you actually pronounce that. I don't know if that's Jahare, not sure. Feel free to comment below. You have the standard tang stamp of Victorinox Swiss made stainless with nothing on the rear. And then the 1961 pattern reamer awl, which is found on most of the Alox models with the exception of like the midshipman and some rare models like that have the marlin spike. And again, we have the Friends of Victorinox, or Victorinox Pruning, I believe is how you say it, logo there. Now some related models to this are obviously the Rancher, which we have looked at before, which removes the scissors and drops this down to 2 layers. The Pioneer-X, which replaces the hawkbill blade or pruning blade with the standard can opener. And then the Farmer X, which replaces the hawkbill blade with the can opener and extends this out to 4 layers by adding the wood saw. And that about does it for this knife. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.